Sparky Sparks here. Okay, I have new hair, and this is a re-edit or re-tape of a style I opened last week, I believe. It's a new style by Ellen Wille, and the style is called Cover Mono. And the color is Platinum Blonde Rooted, and here she is. Now, I'm gonna share with you some of the mistakes I made in my first video of when I put her on. Okay, so this is just a beautiful wig. Start on the inside and let's look at her. So she's got a left side part here, so you can part in any of these spaces, especially for my new wig wearers. This is where you'd be able to part the hair. And it's a stretchy, open wefted cap. So these are called wefts. This is where the hair is attached, and that's important. We're gonna get to that later in the video. Then down here we have adjusters that are Velcro, and you can make them tighter or looser. And then here's the tag, another point that I'd like to make sure we pay attention to. If this tag, and it's quite long, pokes out, you may or may not know that it's poking out. I was at my trainer last week, and he walked up to me and he said, your tag. And so I thought, what tag? And he said, your tag is showing. I, for the life of me, couldn't think of what tag. So then he went like this, and I thought, oh my gosh, my tag is sticking out of my hair. So dead giveaway, ladies, if your tag is sticking out. So something to be aware of, maybe trim it, maybe cut it off. Really your choice. All right, so we turn her over. She's platinum blonde, and we're gonna shake her a little bit. She's fresh out of the box, pretty much. And so we always put our head in first here, and then pull her on. And this is the part that always looks the same for everybody, where you just look at it and go, yikes, right? But this isn't how it's gonna look. We're gonna hold on to the ear tabs, which are on either side of your temple. And then let's just start finger combing her. We know the parts here. We can feel it, and we know that that's where it's supposed to be parted. So what I like to do is just kind of play with the hair. Now, I mentioned earlier that I made a mistake when I put this on. It starts to look really cute, come together. Now what I did, like some ladies with this kind of hair might do, is push it up in the back, right? To make it that up wefted look. This style is not made to do that. When I turned around in my last video, you could see all of the wefts of where the hair is attached. Not a good thing. So we're gonna comb her down in the back in the direction that the hair goes. She's a super cute style, but don't back comb her up or you're going to see the wefts. Okay, so like this, she is very cute. And if you need a little extra help changing the part or moving the hair around, you can always add water. I've emptied a smooth detangler bottle. Smooth is what I use on my longer wigs to take the tangles out. Filled her with water. I label it because I get crazy and don't know what I'm spraying on my hair. So we're gonna go like this, put a little water. Again, resist the urge to back comb up because the wefts will show. This is meant to be obviously laid flatter. All right, so let me turn around and show you the back. Now, isn't that better? Way better. So we're not seeing the wefts. I have to say thank you, thank you, thank you to one of my viewers who pointed that out to me, because I would have never known unless I'd reviewed the video more closely. And I didn't note to self, I will review my videos closer. But she's a cute style. Again, this is called Cover. She's heat friendly, so you could straighten this. I'd love your comments, love to know what you think. Beautiful. Just remember, we're gonna lay her flat in back. Have a great day. Cheers.